Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Yan Sikorski, and today as usual I want to share with you my top ideas for the next market session. First of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Yesterday I give you a couple of recommendations. Let's start with euro dollar. On the previous recommendation I said like short euro dollar and price target around 1.17. As you can see, price hit my first target in euro dollar. And another idea was Netflix. And Netflix, as I said, after false breakout of 490, you can long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around 530. As you can see, right now this idea still work. That's why if you're in position, just stay in position, wait when price reach our first target around 530. Hasbro, this is another idea. I said when price get a bounce from this level, I mean 70.50, you can long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $80 per share. As you can see, this idea still work right now. Intel, another idea. I said if price from breakout of $50 per share level, you can short these stocks, and your target will be around $45 per share. As you can see, price not from breakout of this import level around $50 per share. That's why I cannot say our entry points was formed. Silver, I recommended you short silver, and your target around $22 per ounce. And unfortunately, we cannot see on this price chart because this is a weekly time frame. But if you go to the lower time frame like H1, you can see here in this chart price today almost hit our first target around $22 per ounce. And the last idea was Taiwan Semiconductor. It was more intraday, it was more short-term idea. And this idea, I recommended you long stocks, and the first target around $83 per share. As you can see, price hit my first target here. Well, right now, let's move on to today's ideas. Well, today in euro dollar, I recommend you wait when price from breakout of 1.17, and when price from breakout of 1.17, you can short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 116.50, and the second target will be around 116. Another idea in the gold, let's have a look on a H1 chart. As you can see, price from like very strong pullback. And I recommend you wait when price going back in 90.50 level, and then from reversal model here, and after reversal model you can short this instrument. In this case, the first target will be around 1,900 per ounce. And another idea in the Boeing stocks, as you can see, price trying to form to break out of 170 level. That's why I recommend you wait when price from breakout of this level, I mean 170, and then if price hold below this level, you can short the stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $155 per share. And the last idea in the Microsoft stocks, as you can see, price negative bounce, an important support level around $200 per share. That's why I recommended you long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $210 per share. Well, guys, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope this recommendation help you make money on the next trading session. See you in the next video. Bye.